Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to hide an icon on desktop in Windows 11. First, you need to go to the icon which you need to hide. Right click on it. After doing the right click, go to its properties. After going to its properties, you have to select an option of general. Click on general and then you have to select the option of hidden. Click on hidden, click apply, and then press the option of OK. As you can see, we don't have that option here now. If you want to bring it back, then first you need to go to the start button. In there, you have to go to the settings, click on settings, go to the option of system, go to system, and you have to go to the option of for developers. Click on that and you have to go to the file explorer, expand it, and you have to select the option of show hidden and system files. Enable it and then minimize this window. As you can see, the hidden option here. Now if you want to bring it back, you again have to do the same procedure. Do the right click on the icon, go to its properties. After going to its properties, again go to the general, deselect the hidden option, tap on apply, and then press OK. So as you can see, it is back to normal again and you can see it normally. I hope this video has helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.